dear friends, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I would like to start my speech by thanking all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and bestowing us with all the teachings, moral values and discipline. Teachers Day in India is celebrated every year on the 5th of September to mark the birthday of our second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India. He was also a great scholar, an ideal teacher and a Bharat Ratna recipient. He was born on the 5th of September 1888. 5th of September is celebrated every year to honor our beloved teachers who nourish and prepare us for a better future. Swami Vivekananda said that an ideal teacher is who immediately comes down to the level of the student, and he also said that if the school not comes to us, so we have to go to the school. Teachers are our supporting pillars who play an important role in guiding us throughout our life. It is a day full of excitement, activities and special performances that are organized by the students, especially for their teachers. Teachers Day is not celebrated in India, but it also celebrated worldwide to appreciate the power of teaching. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by the teachers. Thank you.